The PRK1U device can be obtained for using on concluding a sub-license agreement for the use of the education program on the teaching of Grigory Grabovoy with the PRK1U device. At the moment, there are 3 types of sub-license agreements that enable your using the PRK1U device: the device with diamonds, or only the remote access to the device. First, you're testing the device via the internet. A 2-day free testing of the PRK1U device is carried out, which you can undergo only once. The PRK1U device is configured to your personal data, and for this you need to provide your first name, last name and date of birth. Within 2 days, you can concentrate on the device without any restrictions, and do the controlling for your goals. After the testing of the device, you fill out a testing protocol and indicate the type of sub-license agreement that you have chosen. You will receive a sub-license agreement to your email, which is to be signed. You send scan of the signed agreement by email, and the original to the distributor by mail. Then, you make the payment and receive all the intellectual property under a sub-licensing agreement. On our website prk-1u.info you can familiarize yourself in detail with the types of sub-license agreements, read reviews about the device, sign up for testing the device and apply for a PRK1U sub-license agreement.